Hi friends, my name is Tasha. Welcome to Tasha's World. Today I am making kids' all-time favorite snack, chicken nuggets, and it's very popular with adults too. Homemade chicken nuggets are no doubt much healthier than fast food restaurants. So come on, let's get started.
To make chicken nuggets, we need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of Kashmiri Mirch or Paprika powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste, 500 grams of boneless chicken, 4 slices of white bread, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. Remove the bread crust and cut into pieces so that it's easy to blend. Grind the bread into a coarse texture. Don't make it too fine because we will blend it with chicken. Cut the chicken into small pieces so it's easy to blend. Add the cut chicken pieces in a blender. Then add salt, black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri Mirch, soy sauce, and add the coarsely ground bread. If your mixer or blender is smaller, then you can blend in 3 or 4 batches. Don't blend it into a smooth paste. Make sure it stays a little coarse. After removing the blended mix, add 1.5 teaspoon of oil and knead it well. The oil will prevent it from sticking to your hand. Then flatten the blend so it's easy to cut. Apply oil to the knife so that it doesn't stick. I am using a butter paper surface. If you don't have butter paper, you can use a stainless steel plate. Shape into a large square and use the sides to make more pieces. Cut into nugget size squares, or if you have a cookie cutter, you can make different shapes. For the egg wash, take an egg and add 1 tablespoon of milk. Also add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper powder. I am using breadcrumbs that already have salt and pepper, so I didn't add them. Dip the chicken pieces in the egg wash. Then roll them in the breadcrumbs. Refrigerate for half an hour before frying. Deep fry the chicken pieces in medium heat. Take them out when they are golden brown on both sides. Wow, these chicken nuggets are so delicious and crispy. I am sure your kids will love them. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with a new recipe. Bye!